Fur versus human skin. Ever wondered why most animals have fur, but humans don't? From an evolutionary perspective, losing fur wasn't a disadvantage, it was an adaptation. Humans developed a highly efficient sweating system. This allowed better heat regulation during long-distance walking and hunting. Fur traps heat and protects animals in cold or harsh environments. Human skin, instead, became specialized for temperature control and environmental sensing. The trade-off? Without fur, human skin had to evolve a stronger barrier, immune activity, and repair mechanisms. Human skin is now a highly active organ, regulating water loss, responding to microbes, and adapting continuously to the environment. This also means human skin relies more on topical support to maintain balance, resilience, and barrier integrity. At Cymbiotics, formulation science is built around how human skin evolved to function, adaptive, exposed, and biologically active.